Hi, Peter here from Fast Forward here at Gosford, New South Wales on the 8th of November 2024. Yeah, so it's been a few days since I've posted because as you may know, after the grounding and then the subsequent being raised out of the water, I've actually taken myself home back here to Gosford to wait it out. So the status at the moment is that the assessor has sent a report to the insurance company. Your insurance company said they received it this morning, and obviously it's going through for consideration now, which yeah, okay, so probably not going to find out this week. It's a week since I left Bundaberg, so yeah, just been trying to keep myself occupied and getting back into land life, which yeah, I'm not too thrilled with, to be honest. I mean, I come back to Gosford and you can see there's a building popped up there, and it's like, no. Where is that little anchorage in the middle of nowhere? Anyway, we will get there again. So yeah, just an update, basically just waiting for that insurance company to come back to me, and we'll see the way forward from there. We'll keep you up to date. Thank you for watching. And I will leave you with just a little impression of my train trip, 13 hours worth from Brisbane to Gosford last Friday, so a week ago today already. No, it wasn't actually, it was Tuesday. I'm lost. That's okay. So yeah, here, just enjoy a bit of New South Wales scenery, and we will have more for you soon. Good morning, everyone. It is 4:30 in the morning on Tuesday the 5th of November, and I'm here at Roma Street Station in Brisbane, waiting for my train back down to Gosford, New South Wales. It's going to be a 13-hour journey, so yeah, it's just the onward journey coming home from Fast Forward, whilst I wait to see the outcome of the assessment. So heading home for the duration, and waiting for next steps. But anyway, come along for the ride. Here comes my train, the XPT. It's actually arriving from Sydney. It'll be here for half an hour while we get on and they clean it, and we'll head back down again. So yeah, obviously in constant use. And if you lived in England like I did in the 80s, you'll remember these as being the 125s that were the express trains then. Nothing but the latest for Australian railways. Thank you for watching another Fast Forward to Queensland video. As always, don't forget to like, comment on YouTube and subscribe to Dawn Radar.